idea of sin inherited. This is Christianity. You talk about the original sin, that sin came into the world. But the Bible doesn't say that. In the book of Ezekiel, God says, the soul that sinneth, it shall die. Have you heard that before? Yes. Every Christian preacher, lecturer, evangelist quotes this. And he puts a full stop. He puts a full stop in a verse which has no full stop. See, where is supposed to be a comma or a semicolon, the Christian puts a full stop. The soul that sinneth, it shall die. Then he takes you out from there into Corinthians, Philippians, Galatians, and says everyone has sinned. So everyone dies unless somebody comes along and redeems him of that curse. I said, look, listen, read it further. He says, the Son shall not bear the iniquity of the Father, neither shall the Father bear the iniquity of the Son. Father Adam, he made a mistake. Mother Eve made a mistake. And they paid more than the full price. If somebody goes and plucks some fruits in your garden, they were told not to. What do? You chase the child out, you might give it a spanking, but now you follow that child up, his children and his children and his great-grandchildren for eternity. Can you imagine a God like that? A Shylock, worse than a Shylock? Adam and Eve, they sinned. So God kicks them out of the garden. I'm asking, is that not punishment enough? Then he curses them, that you woman, you must bear children in pain and suffering, labor, for what you have done. And man, you must sweat for your bread. And you are all sweating and you are all laboring. As a result of what Adam and Eve did. Is that not enough? No, not for this Shylock of a God that you convey to us. He goes on now and said every human kind on earth must go to hell. At the beginning of 1986, we were 4.8 billion human beings on earth. And everyone goes to hell, says the Christian. For what? For the original sin. Unless you believe in Christ. I'm asking, did Eve ask you, my sister, before eating the apple? Did she? No. Did Adam ask you before eating the apple? No. Then I said, how can God hold you responsible? Is he a lunatic? This God of ours, is he a lunatic? He's going to hold me responsible for what Adam and Eve did when I was not consulted. I don't know if you were consulted by Eve, then you have a right to be cursed. What kind of a God is this? So he says, and the Father shall not bear the iniquity of the Son. The righteousness of the righteous shall be upon him. Whatever good thing the good man does, he gets his reward. And the wickedness of the wicked shall be upon him. But if the wicked will turn from all the sins that he has committed and do that which is lawful and right, he shall surely live. He shall not die.